So guys, welcome back no. Ito pala yung basic na ituturo natin about sa pixels. First of all, para hindi kayo mahirapan sa pagbibigay ng sa coins, 'di ba? Daily lotting lang tayo. Newbie lang ako kagaya niyo. I'm just a newbie but took 13 hours from now at means way back. We'll be back on 13 hours after. So bukas na siguro, no? Bukas na lang yun. Then dito we have a reputations score. The reputations we earn o nakukuha to sa doing tasks. And daily login minsan, no? Daily login 0.5 something just like that. Then tapos para makuha mo yung 210 or 5, connect mo lang yung socials. Yan, need mong connect ng mga socials. So, sana mag-gets nyo naman. And, go tayo sa game. Pa-play na tayo. Medyo mahirap to. Pero kakayanin naman. Play to earn. But, I'm here to enjoy this game. Hindi ako naglaro para kumita. So, naglaro lang ako para pampatanggal lang ng inip. Then, maganda tong game. Dito yung taskboard. Prioritize your task. Example, kung anong gusto mo gawin. Just like that. Ito yung mga resources and skills. This is task with stars. Yun. Prioritize ko ngayon yung these 3: wood, shape, and metal. These 3. Gaining resources, dito tayo. Mining and XP. Pero as a newbie, para mas madali, syempre tatanim muna tayo dito. Diyan, magpa-plant tayo dyan. For example, bili tayo, no? New update. Dahil sa new update, nandito na rin yung hindi na tayo pupunta ng Terrafila. Ito, diba? For example, nakabayan na tayo ng popberry seed. Ito yung pinakauna yung gagawin. Napakadali. Then, plant natin. No, dito seed, sorry. Yan. Pag na-plant na yan, kailangan mong diligan. And wait for minute. Not a minute, medyo 1 minute. Medyo matagal, no? 1 minute. Pero it's okay. Dali lang to. Talagang i-grind mo to. Medyo nakaka-addict, no? If you play this game, you feel the addiction to this game. It's very challenging to, guys. So, yep, if you have a questions, just ask and to the comment sections. I'm making this video as of now because I'm a new content creator. Okay. For more questions guys, tanongin nyo lang ako para masagot ko naman. I mean, para mag-guide ko kayo. Pero pala maging gruento. So, yep. Nasabi ko na about sa reputations. From beginners planting berries, submitting tasks, about version 2 ng task board. Ito, task board by and orders delivered. And those basic kits, need one log para sa cooking, woodworking, and mining. I mean shipping. So yeah, bye bye.